Good morning to you.
Nice to have you with us. We're going to talk about something very exciting here today. And of course, whenever we talk Way Less MD and Wellness, it's always exciting because you offer so many great programs in person, online, and now a new treatment which has recently been approved by the Food and Drug Administration for weight loss. And you guys are offering this, and you're kind of doing a test run on this. Am I correct here, Sherry?
Yes, that is correct. So there is a new FDA-approved medication for weight loss called Wegovy or Semaglutide, and so we're going to be offering this. And whenever we start or we implement a new program, we always like to do a trial or a study. So we're going to be launching that in the next couple weeks.
All right. So now describe this a little bit. This new medication. It's a shot that goes under the skin, subcutaneous shot. And first of all, what is this new drug supposed to help us with? What is it doing?
Yeah, exactly. So it's a once-a-week injection. It was approved previously for type 2 diabetes because one of its main benefits is helps with insulin sensitivity. So oftentimes people have issues with losing weight because their insulin levels either don't work properly or they're always elevated. So this helps with the improvement of insulin because insulin, we need to take the sugar out of the blood. I mean, that's ultimately one of the main issues. The other thing it does is suppresses the appetite because it works on our satiety hormones. So those are the two main benefits. And I'm going to be talking a lot more about this in a webinar I'm doing on actually tomorrow. But so there's a lot of hype about it. I mean, there just is. We're super anxious to get started on it.
So have you done research on, has anyone done this test before? Do we have any success results with this new medication?
Yeah, so before they launched it, they did 4 pretty big trials. And so what they found was that the trials were actually 68 weeks because this is approved for long-term use, but they're finding that people are losing approximately over 15% of their body weight. So there are trials for safety, and I dug into all of that, and I'm going to be talking a lot about that and side effects that people could expect. But for the most part, similar medications have been on the market, so it's kind of proven to be safe and effective. So this is just new and improved, basically.
This is great. This is the magic pill we've all been waiting for, right, Sherry?
The magic pill. The magic pill.
I don't think there'll ever be a magic pill, but certainly for people, as you mentioned, who struggle with this, type 2 diabetics or people who have insulin resistance, that always is kind of a blockade to losing weight. So the webinar is coming up tomorrow at 5 o'clock. How do people get on board for the webinar? Is it as simple as going to waylessmd.com?
Yeah, you can go to our website. I would suggest putting your contact information in there because we're going to be sending out all the information to all of our contacts. And so that's going to be the best way. But yes, you can call our office and we can send you all the information for the webinar and the test if anyone's interested, the study, if anyone's interested in joining the study as well.
I think there may be a lot of people who are, at least curious about this. People who have, been on other diets before have struggled with, lots of different kinds of diets. And, it's worth a shot, right? So find out more. The webinar tomorrow, 5 o'clock. Go to waylessmd.com. Also, go to Sherry's Way Less MD Facebook page. I really liked the article, Sherry, about why the top 8 diets don't work. Because there's so much out there. And, when you get an information overload like that, you go, okay, now what do I do? And you really did a great job of breaking this whole thing down.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, we're constantly, we're all in this together, right? We're all just trying to stay healthy and get healthy together because it's our environment, things that surround us they don't make it easy.
No.
So we're, passion of mine for sure.
Check that out. Go to the Way Less MD Facebook page, Why the Top 8 Diets Don't Work, and get on the program. First visit's absolutely free. How do they get a hold of you, Sherry?
Yes, they can call us at 262-226-2046, or, of course, go to our website.
And if you're interested in that webinar, tomorrow, 5 o'clock, waylessmd.com for details there. She is Sherry Stoka, Way Less MD and Wellness in the Southport Plaza, helping people take that weight off and keep it off. Sherry Stoka, thanks as always. You have a terrific week.
You too. Thanks.